knows where not to walk. I lost him again. I hear him up here now. Yep. You got him. You got him. I'm gonna let him relax. Second day here in Saskatchewan with Jeremy Ford and Eat, Sleep, Hunt Adventures. We got her done. I love bear hunting. I love it. We didn't even get good. And in the tree, walking in, we had bear out here. Took off up into the draw, spruces. We came in earlier today and hung this set. This set has been productive for Jeremy over the past few years. He had this barrel out for a couple weeks, didn't have a stand in here. Tracy and I came in today at lunch, hung this set, come back 3 hours later and just killed a big bull bear. Chevron patch, we got pictures of him. That's the bear we came in here for. That's the way we do it here in Saskatchewan. We want to give the Lord praise. Yes. Now, we've got to figure out where these mamas at, because we got two up here in a tree. Here's my arrow. Blowed right through him. It's good blood on the arrow. I can see the blood trail. That's bleeding good. Blood. Well, he came a little bit farther than we were hoping, but he's just now opened up and started bleeding. We're going to mark this spot. He came up out of this drainage ditch, dropped over this cut line, and went down into a swamp. So what we're going to do is go back, get Jeremy, review the footage. We're probably going to come back in the morning. We'll go back and see, but I don't see how it couldn't be a dead bear. He's bleeding really good, but we're just not prepared to go in that swamp. So we're going to go get Jeremy and come back, figure out what we're going to do. Yep, the big boar with the chevron patch. Yeah. You wasn't gone long and he came right back. Thanks, man.
Awesome.
Good looking bear.
That's good.
What we did was we got down and checked our air. Everything looks good. We're just waiting on you.
Okay, let's go get him.
Let's do it. You really got him?
I got him.
All right, baby. He found my bear.
Man, I was getting worried. He came a lot farther than I thought he was going to come after he opened up. Okay. Right, man, way to go. Thanks, brother.
Awesome.
Yes, sir. I see him. Let's get in there and get him out and get him moved around.
Guys, we found our bear hunting with ESH Adventures here in Saskatchewan. What a trip. Killed this bear on the second day of my hunt. This is actually the bear that we were going in to hunt. It's got a big chevron patch on his chest. We're just excited about putting our hands on him this morning. He didn't go very far, but he zigged and zagged through timber and brush. We're just glad to get our hands on him, man. We appreciate the hunt. It's been an awesome experience here in Saskatchewan. Don't go anywhere because we're going to be right back with more Savage Outdoors.